Hey guys, what's going on today? Today's just a quick video on how you can actually stage your fireplace if you wanted to. Obviously I've got some birch logs there in the fireplace. I didn't have any the set-in logs or anything like that right now, so until I got that I just figured I'd buy a couple of these off of eBay. They turned out pretty nice. I spent $24.99 on them, free shipping and all that. You can see the pretty decent diameters of those. You can buy these on Amazon. I've got a couple in my cart. They do seem a little bit longer. Obviously you can see those are kind of small lengthwise. I think they're right about 12 inches, so they can fit in priority mail in the flat rate boxes, so they could get shipped pretty cheap. But they've got some larger ones on Amazon, 46, like 40 buck range. That would actually probably, probably what I need to get there on the bottom. But until then, we'll see how it works. It's good for now. But just a goofy video on how you might be able to stage your fireplace. The birch aspirin looking logs. I mean, that's super cool thing. You could throw it in like a tin or a bin, kind of a log storage thing over on the side of your fireplace if you wanted, or throw them in there just like that. I'll be sure not to burn them because I don't want to burn $25 worth of logs. So anyway, a stupid video, but a video nonetheless that might help you out. So anyway, hope you guys liked it. Can't wait to see you in the next one. See you guys.